Welcome back to the Beginner's Guide to Buying and Selling on eBay. The My eBay section allows you to keep track of all of your eBay activity. You can customize it to make it work best for you. If you go to your page options, you can choose what you do or don't want displayed on your page. You can choose to display things like what you're watching, bidding on, auctions you didn't win, and auctions you did win. You can also display active items you're selling, things you've sold, or things you haven't sold. You can also choose to display your profile, messages, buying and selling reminders, etc. Then choose how many of these actions you want displayed. You can also choose the colors of your page. Click on Edit and select the color you like best. You can also reorder these sections by moving them up or down, or by clicking on them and dragging and dropping them into a different order. You can also collapse the modules by going back to the Edit and clicking on Collapse. Do the same to expand them. You can do that with these modules as well. The General Settings option allows you to choose what page of My eBay will be displayed by default. You can choose a summary of all of your activity, which is what we're looking at now, or choose what you're buying, selling, saved searches, and so on. This is your page on eBay, so make sure you make it look just the way you like. Remember, there are 10 parts to this series, so don't forget to check out the other episodes in the Beginner's Guide to Buying and Selling on eBay.